సంచలనం సంస్కృతి సంప్రదాయ సమ్మిళితం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం పురాణేతిహాసాలు ప్రవచించిన సూత్రం పురోగతి ప్రబోధించు నృత్య దర్శనం సమాహార కళాత్మకం ఈ సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం ప్రతి కథనము ప్రతి కదలిక సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం ప్రతి పదము ప్రతి పాదము శాస్త్ర సంకలనం సంచలన సంచలనం పరమాత్మము తీసిన కళా విన్యాసం క్షీరసాగరోద్భవము సుధాసారం సమాహార కళాత్మకమీ సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంస్కృతి సంప్రదాయ సమ్మిళితం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం పురాణేతిహాసాలు ప్రవచించిన సూత్రం పురోగతి ప్రబోధించు నృత్య దర్శనం సమాహార కళాత్మకం ఈ సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం.
Namaskaram. I am Aruna Swarup, senior disciple of Srimati Padma Kalyan Vajja Garu and founder of Sri Dhanvi Kalanilayam, Vishakhapatnam. Welcome to the episode of Nrutyotsav. Today we are going to see two beautiful Indian classical dance forms, Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. Before going into the details of our episode, I would like to give a small introduction of our Guru, Srimati Padma Kalyan Vajja. Guru and founder of Sanchalana School of Dance, Srimati Padma Kalyan Vajja is a renowned artist who made significant contribution to the world of Indian classical dance with her exceptional artistry dedication and commitment to preserve and promote Indian classical dance forms on various platforms. After marriage and giving birth to 2 children, she started learning dance with encouragement of her husband, late Sri Kalyan Kumar. She started teaching underprivileged students, which led to the start of her school, Sanchalana School of Dance. Then she started to mentor young teachers to become accomplished artists. As a guru, Teacher Garu played a vital role in training and nurturing students and passing on the rich tradition of Kuchipudi to the next generation, as she has also started organizing dance festivals since 1993, where she imparts her knowledge and expertise to aspiring dancers. Many of her disciples have gone on to become accomplished dancers in their own right, while still contributing to the legacy of Kuchipudi. Few of them are Dr. Kiranmai Bonala, the daughter and disciple of Srimati Padma Kalyan Vajja and artistic director of Sammohana Arts Academy, Dr. Jyoti Shekhar, director of Gayatri School of Dance, Swapna Sri Chakoti, director of Sri Chakra Kalanilayam, Aruna Swarup, myself, director of Sri Dhanvi Kalanilayam, and Hema Vanasarla, director of SVS Kalaniketan. My Guru, Srimati Padma Kalyan Vajja Garu, believes in not only giving opportunities to upcoming artists but also encourage them with rewards and blessings in a unique way and present their art to the wider audience. Throughout her journey, she received many awards. Few of them are Uttama Guru Award by Telangana Government, Lady Legend Award, Stree Shakti Award, Lifetime Achievement Award from various recognized organizations, and very recently she was honored with Kala Surabhi Award at Yurais Vedic Academy, Bangalore. In today's episode, I would like to introduce our first artist, Miss Tamali Ghosh, who is a Bharatanatyam dancer from Kolkata. She has been trained under the guidance of her guru, Srimati Debjani Basu. She is appearing for 5th year senior diploma from Bhangiya Sangeet Parishad Academy and passed her 4th year examination with distinction. She is an enlisted Bharatanatyam artist of EZCC. She received the Speak Meki Guru Ki Sangat scholarship and trained in the workshop under the guidance of late Guru Padma Bhushan Dr. Saroja Vaidyanathan. She has also received Bharat Kesari Smriti Samman Award. She has performed in many prestigious festivals in all over India, such as Smarane Shyama Prasad 2024, organized by Bande Bharat Sanskriti Parishad, and Best of Bharatanatyam Festival 2023, organized by Namasivyam Trust Chennai, Utsav 2023. Dance Day Celebrations 2023, organized by Kalamandalam, Kolkata. Bodh Mahotsav 2023 and 2020, organized by Bihar government. Bidhan Nagar Rath Yatra Utsav 2022 GOI program 2022, organized by WZZC. Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav 2022, organized by Nishta. Siddharth Mahotsav 2022, organized by Siddhartha Kala Peetam. Classical Dance and Music Festival 2022, organized by Eastern Zonal Cultural Center, and many more. She won first position in Shishu Kishore Utsav 2023, organized by Behala Sneha Foundation. She has also won first position in Ananda Bazar Patrika organization and also won many prizes from ECOC competition, virtual solo dance competition organized by Nritya Kala Niketan. Welcome Miss Tamali Ghosh with her beautiful performance.
Namaskaram, myself Tamali Ghosh. I am a Bharatanatyam dancer from Kolkata. I am the disciple of Guru Srimati Debjani Basu. Shanchalana School of Dance has started a wonderful initiative by supporting all the artists through virtual platform. I am thankful to Padma Kalyanji for giving me this opportunity to perform in the virtual festival Nrityotsav. Today, I am starting my performance with Ganapati Toriyam. Toriyam is an invocative item of Bharatanatyam, performing to seek the blessings of God. It begins with Pushpanjali or Namaskaram. Sometimes it ends with sloka. Here is also a sloka of Lord Ganesha. He sits on rat wearing holy thread. He is the son of Shiva and Mata Parvati. His body is dwarf-like. He removes all the obstacles. Salutations to him. Ganapati Toriyam, Ragam Nattai, Talam Adi.
ताम 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 गिड तग धत्तोडंग तक्कुताम धीम 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 गिड तग धित्तोडंग धिक्कुते ताम 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 गिड तग धत्तोडंग तक्कुताम धीम 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 गिड तग धित्तोडंग धिक्कुते ताम 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 गिड तग धत्तोडंग तक्कुताम धीम 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 गिड तग धित्तोडंग धिक्कुते ताम 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 गिड तग धत्तोडंग तक्कुताते तत्तोडगताम ताम 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 धिम 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 तगतोडंग तक्कुताते तत्तोडगताम ताम 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 धिम 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 तगतोडंग तक्कुताते धित 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 धित्ते धिगिदग धिगतो हस्तंग धिगिदग धिगतो हस्तंग धिगतो हस्तंग धगदोंग धित 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 धित्ते धिगिदग धिगतो हस्तंग धिगिदग धिगतो हस्तंग धिगतो हस्तंग धगदोंग हुट्ट किट्ट किन्नतंग तोडगता तोमी मोति कुट्टक तोडगता तोमी ताम ताम धिम 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 तत्तोडंग तक्कुताते मूषिक वाहन मोदक हस्त चामर कर्णा विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूपा महेश्वर पुत्रा विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते धिक्कुताम धिक्कुताम धिक्कुत्तत्तरि तत्तत्ताम तुगगिडगिन तुगतो तोडगताम तोडगताम तोमी मूषिक वाहन मोदक हस्ता चामर कन्ना विध सूत्र मूषिक वाहन मोदक हस्ता चामर कन्ना विध सूत्र धिक्कुताम धिक्कुताम धिक्कुत्तत्तरि तत्तत्ताम तुगगिडगिन तुगतो तोडगताम तोडगताम तोमी वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते नमस्ते
The next item is Shiva Panchakshara Stotriam. Panchakshara Stotram literally means the 5 letters in Sanskrit. Those are Na, Ma, Shi, Va, Ya. The holy mantra chant to worship Lord Shiva. According to Hindu tradition, the human body is considered to be made up of 5 elements, and this holy 5 letters represent those 5 elements. Na is considered as Prithvi, that is earth, Ma as water, Shi as fire, Va as Vayu, and Ya as sky or space element. In this popular stotra, these 5 holy words are representing Shiva, and the Lord is praised for his great qualities. This stotra is composed by Adi Shankaracharya. Shiva Panchakshara Stotram, Ragam Ragmalika, Talam Khando Ekam. Tillana is a rhythmic piece in Carnatic music that is generally performed at the end of a concert. The Pallavi and Anupallavi of a Tillana are composed of the jatis with a charanam. In the first half of the charanam, there is a signature of the composer and the name of deity. This Tillana has been composed by Sri Krishna Das. Tillana, Ragam Desh, Talam Chaturasra Rupakam.
That was a beautiful performance by Miss Tamali Ghosh. And I would like to invite today's second artist, a Kuchipudi dancer from Telangana. Artistic and lively Kuchipudi dancer with 16 years of professional experience, trained under the guidance of Guru Srimati Padma Kalyan Garu and Guru Dr. Kiranmay Bonala Garu. Namely, at Sanchalana School of Dance, have been the part of our academy as one of her senior student and as assistant teacher too. Young talented Rashmita is one of the promising future faces of Kuchipudi dance. She was initiated into Kuchipudi dance by Srimati Padma Kalyan Garu at Sri Nagadevata Temple, Tirumalgiri, performed Lalita Sahasranama Nrityarchana during Dasara Navaratri in the year 2007. She is currently working as a dance teacher at Sanchalana School of Dance, ECIL, and Bharatiya Kalakshetram, Kukatpalli. She has been graduated from Government Degree College for Women, Begumpet, in the stream of Commerce. She has completed her diploma from Putti Sriramulu Telugu University, BA first year from Prachin Kala Kendra University, Chandigarh. She has also won first prize in district level competition conducted by Government City College, Hyderabad. She has also won first prize in Yuvatarangam 2015 and 16 conducted by Government of Telangana, Commissionerate of Collegiate Education. She has also won second prize in Bengali folk dance conducted by Government Degree College for Women. She is also a registered Kuchipudi performer in Guinness Book World Record and is also a selected B-grade artist from Doordarshan Kala Kendra. She is currently pursuing masters at Putti Sriramulu Telugu University, and throughout her career she has performed almost overall 600 performances. Few of them are Pushkarala Utsavalu at Rajahmundry, Dvivida Parnam 2014, on the account of World Dance Day at New Delhi, Koti Deepotsavam, participated in Sri Krishna Vasantam Ballet at Chikadpalli, Yuvotsav monthly festival of dance and music by Sanchalana School of Dance, Natya Pravaha Department of Language and Culture of Government Telangana, Vishwa Kala Yajnam 2018 conducted by Bharat Arts, Kalachana 2022 conducted by Gayatri School of Kuchipudi Dance. So let's welcome Mrs. Rashmita. Let's welcome Mrs. Rashmita Sandeep.
నమస్కారం, నా పేరు రష్మిత. ఈనాటి కార్యక్రమంలో నేను మొట్టమొదటిగా ప్రదర్శించే అంశం పురంధరదాసు గారి రచన గజవదన వేడువే, హంసధ్వని రాగం ఆదితాళం.
Manda
ఈనాటి కార్యక్రమంలో మరో అంశం పేరు నారాయణీయం. సదాశివ బ్రహ్మేంద్ర గారి రచన. రాగమాలిక ఆదిగానం.
Mother,
ఇంత చక్కటి అవకాశాన్ని ఇచ్చిన మా గురువు గారు శ్రీమతి పద్మ కళ్యాణ్ గారికి నా పాదాభివందనాలు. అలాగే టెక్నికల్గా సపోర్ట్ చేసిన శ్రీమతి అరుణ స్వరూప్ గారు మరియు శ్రీమతి స్వప్న చక్రవర్తి గారికి నా హృదయపూర్వక అభినందనలు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
That was a beautiful performance by Mrs. Rashmita Sandeep. And today we have witnessed two beautiful performances of Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam, and many more dance forms to come in the upcoming episodes of Nrutyotsav. Artists who are interested to participate in our Nrutyotsav monthly dance festival, please write your details to nrutyotsav@gmail.com. And also please follow us on Sanchalana School of Dance Utsav YouTube channel for more updates and episodes. Thanking you one and all. Shubharatri, and let us meet again in the next episode of Nrutyotsav with two more beautiful dancers from India. Thanking you one and all. Good night.